today, their agents found a smaller place with a better price. A 2-story traditional home in Shawnee, 30 minutes from his work.
This house is pretty nice.
It's very nice. It's just a little boring from the front. There's no real big architectural interest for me.
Yeah, I wanted kind of a grand entrance, and there's not really a good grand entrance on this one.
Hey guys, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you today. This house is 3,000 square feet, and it's priced at $400,000. So kind of right there at a sweet spot for you.
Yeah, perfect.
Jason, it's probably right on the edge of where you might want to be location-wise, but there's a nice surprise on the other side, so let's go in and take a look.
Great.
Wow, this is nice.
This is really nice. I love the tall ceilings.
So as you step in, you have a formal dining room. You can probably get several people in here.
Oh, definitely.
It's a very nice open floor plan. As you see when you step into the great room, you also have a very open kitchen. You have an eat-in breakfast area.
This would be a great place for the family. I mean, I could be cooking, the kids could be playing.
Yeah.
Just the finishes need to be updated. I would want to work on the woodwork. The white carpet probably needs to go. The kids will destroy it.
But this kitchen has wonderful space.
It's good space, but the countertops don't match, the appliances don't match, and I can see projects for us to have.
Let's go take a look at the outdoors.
Okay. I see something outside.
Yeah, you see that? Promise, Jason, I'd find him a house with a pool. Can't you just see yourself entertaining out here?
This is gorgeous. The pool is a home run.
This deck is great, but that pool makes me nervous.
I mean, there's no doubt that we'd have to have, you know, one of those locked metal covers.
I do like how there's still some green space back here. It's a great yard. I just, the mom in me is screaming safety issues.
I know, but the dad, he is screaming like playtime, adventure, throw